Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Tacoma maintenance light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, ensure your multi-information display shows the odometer. If it's not visible, simply press the DISP button on your dashboard to cycle through the display options until the odometer appears. Now, turn your ignition completely off. With the ignition off, press and hold the trip meter reset button. While still holding this button, turn your ignition back to the on position. Do not start the engine. Continue holding the reset button until the maintenance light on your dashboard begins to flash and then disappears. You'll see a series of dashes, or 000000, on the display, followed by the maintenance light turning off. Once the light is gone, you can release the trip meter reset button. If the light remains illuminated, simply repeat these steps from the beginning. This process is quick and usually takes less than 30 seconds. Remember, performing regular maintenance, like oil changes, is crucial for your Tacoma's longevity and performance. Always consult your owner's manual for specific service intervals and recommendations. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to simplify your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.